This is Jennifer from Jentle Soaps, and today I have something beautiful to put on my tree. This is a gift that I was given, and it just came in the mail, and I hope it made it all the way from Texas. We'll see. We will see. Okay, I'll show you guys. I get kind of dangerous with the knives. This is Jennifer, by the way, from Jentle Soaps and the Jen Spice channel, and this is a gift from Texas from my friend Patrick. Oh my gosh, he's an awesome, awesome, awesome friend. And he can be your friend too, because he has a YouTube channel here and he is so much fun. So you gotta go check out his channel and check out the goats and check out Stevie the squirrel and all the frogs and all the fun that's going on over at Soapy Oaks Farm. I hope it made it. I may cry if it didn't. All right, so I've got another box over here that I'm packing for someone else. I'm going to put all of these in that box. Oh my goodness. So I won this in a draw, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is a family ornament for my tree. He had a lot of them, and so he was sharing them. Oh, Patrick, it's beautiful. Look at this little guy. Even his nose made it. Look at him. Oh my goodness. I wanted to put him right on the tree where he can be seen. Now, our tree stays up until mid-February. I'm going to find a good spot just for Patrick's little snowman. Oh, thank you so much, Patrick. I need to give him a little more support. Maybe right there. I want to see his face. How cute is that? Can you see him? Let's see. It's right here. Oh, I went too high. You guys can't see him. Now we'll bring him down a little lower. Put him down by the takeout container and then you can see him. And get rid of that candy. These are delicious, by the way. If you haven't tried these, they're really good. They're actually better than the Lindors. They were more expensive, but they are delicious. Look at him, he's so cute. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you so much for all of your love and your support over the last year. We're both fairly new YouTubers, and we're starting on our second year. So if you haven't signed up for Soapy Oaks Farm, head on over if you like watching videos on soap making and beauty products and lotions and stuff, because he's all natural. Me, I go here and there and everywhere because I love it all. Look at this little beautiful thing. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I will see you all next time. Bye for now, guys. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this little mailbox minute. Actually, it's more of a, what do they call it when you get a gift in the mail? Oh, I can't think of it. It's a haul, though. Thank you. It's a prize. Never sure where to look. I love you guys. Bye for now.